Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel lab, select the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the lace color, enable button down, adjust the picture, and then select the copy option, copy the picture, select the picture, select the save option, adjust the save information, and then select the shape button, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color to back the shape, and select the opacity option, effect shadow, enable button down. Save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save information. Select another photo, adjust the photo, crop the photo, select the crop option. Select the raise color, enable button down, adjust the photo, select the back option. Change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. And then select the import button, go to the gallery. Select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the raise color, enable button down, adjust the picture. And then select the copy option, copy the picture. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.